Here on another one right here, BMW 325i. The rear window rolls down, then it gets stuck, as you can see. So we're gonna take a look and see how we do that. First and foremost, this right here is gonna pop off, and then we're gonna pop this up. Then we're gonna take this out. 2 screws in there. Behind here is 3 screws. Then we should have another screw back here. And we'll be able to pop off this right there. We got a screw in here and there. A lot one back here.
You tell me what
One
it
here
is so we can,
and
either we can fix it
one
or
there. Roll it down again?
down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see, yeah. It's the regulator. Super loose.
You tell me when and I'll do it.
Uh-oh. Yeah, this piece just popped off. Okay. Gotcha.